Marami sa mga ito, sinasayawan mo pa, masaya mong sinasabayan at kadalas ay napapaindak ka pa kapag pinapatugtog ang mga to. Hello my friend! Welcome back! Tara, time travel tayo. Ang timeline natin ngayon ay ang mga foreign songs na marahil di mo alam na may negatibong nilalaman. 2011, The A-Team by Ed Sheeran. Ang awit na to ay tungkol sa isang prostitute na addict sa cocaine. She don't wanna go outside tonight, 'cause in the pipe she'll fly to the motherland, settle up to another man. 2005, You're Beautiful by James Blunt. Tungkol ito sa stalker na nakadroga na minamanmanan ang magandang babae na girlfriend ng isang lalaki sa subway. She's smiling on the subway. She was with another man. But I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. She can see from my face that 2001, Follow Me by Ankle Tracker. Ito'y tungkol sa pagtataksil sa kapareha at patuloy nila itong gagawin hanggat walang nakakaalam. I'm not worried about the ring you wear, just as long as no one knows and nobody could care. You're feeling guilty, I'm well aware, but you don't look ashamed, and baby, I'm not scared. 1997, Semi-Charmed Life by Third Eye Blind. Tungkol ito sa drug user na papunta na sa mundo ng droga. I want something else, I'm listening when you say. Do it 'cause the metal lift you up until you break the wall. Calm down and keep stop, tick-tock with a bump. 1997, Barbie Girl by Aqua. Ito'y tungkol sa lahat ng kababaihan na ang tingin ay sex object. 1995, Macarena by Los Del Rio featuring Bayside Boys Mix. Ito'y tungkol sa babaeng nagngangalang si Macarena na pinagtataksilan ng kanyang nobyong si Torino habang nasa military na nakadestino sa ibang lugar. Lemon Tree by Fool's Garden. Hango ito sa totoong buhay. Ito'y tungkol sa taong namatayan ng minamahal dahil sa car accident sa Lemon Tree. Naghihintay pa rin siya sa kanya kahit alam niyang di na siya darating sapagkat ayaw niyang mabuhay ng mag-isa. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. Isolation is not good for me. Isolation, but I don't want to sit on a lemon. 1984, Jump. Tungkol ito sa taong nais magpatiwakal o magpakamatay at ang pagkumbinsi ng singer na tumalon na sa kinatatayuan niya sa taas ng gusali. I ain't the person to see. You know what I mean. 1983, Every Breath You Take by The Police. Tungkol ito sa isang obsessive stalker na minamanmanan ang bawat galaw ng babae. 1983, 99 Love Ballons by Nena. Tungkol ito sa 99 na lobo na maligayang pinalipad lamang sa ere, ngunit nagdulo ito ng malaking kaguluhan at pagpanaw ng marami. 1979, The Piña Colada Song by Rupert Holmes. Tungkol ito sa lalaking nagtataksil sa kinakasama at ang planong humanap ng ibang babae. Ngunit sa huli pala, ang babaeng katatagpuan niya ay ang kanyang kinakasama at pareho lang sila ng binabalak.
I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own lovely lady. And she said, oh, it's you. Then we laughed for a moment. And I said, I never knew.
1979, My Sharona by The Neck. Ito ay isang malaswang pahiwatig ng isang lalaking pinagpapantasyahan ang minor de edad na si Sharona. Copacabana by Barry Manilow. Kwento ito ng dating showgirl sa Copacabana, isang nightclub, na si Lola na naparil at napatay ang boyfriend na isang bartender. Ito ang dahilan kaya siya nasiraan ng bait.
And while she tried to be a star, Tony always tended the bar across the crowded floor. They worked from 8 till 4 at the Copa. They fell in love. Okay. His name was Rico. He wore a diamond. He was escorted to his chair. He saw Lola dancing there, and when she finished, he called her over. But Rico went a bit too far. Tony sailed across the bar, and then the punches flew, and chairs were smashed in two. There was blood and a single gunshot, but just who shot who at the Copa? At the Copa. She lost her love for a little thing.
1975, Mamma Mia by ABBA. Ito'y tungkol sa taong tuloy pa rin nagpapatawad at nagmamahal sa nobyo niya kahit lagi siyang pinagtataksilan. "1970, Let It Be by Beatles." Maraming song critics na nagsasabing ang tunay na tinutukoy na Mother Mary ay marijuana.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
1968, Delilah by Tom Jones. Tungkol ito sa pagtataksil ni Delilah at ang pagpatay ng lalaking nagmamahal sa kanya. "1968, Build Me Up, Buttercup by The Foundations." Tungkol ito sa lalaking hindi nasusuklian ang pagmamahal. Pinaglalaruan lamang siya ng babae pero mahal niya pa rin ito.
Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down? Mess me around, but worst of all, you never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you.
1967, Happy Together by The Turtles. Ito'y tungkol sa dalawang nagmamahalan, ngunit ang lahat ay pantasya lamang ng lalaki.
It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold your tight, so happy together.
1967, Green Green Grass of Home by Tom Jones. Ito'y tungkol sa isang lalaking masayang bumalik sa dating lugar na kinalakihan niya. Sinalubong siya ng mahal sa buhay at naalala ang dating masayang kabataan sa lugar na yon. Ngunit panaginip lang ang lahat. Siya ay nasa death row. Bumalik naman siya sa lugar ng kinalakihan at nagsama-sama muli sila ng minamahal niya sa buhay sa mismong araw ng kanyang libing.
Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Then I wake and look around me at 4 gray walls that surround me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me beneath the green, green grass of home.
Alam ko di ka pa nakasubscribe, pero gusto ko lang sana na pasukin mo muna, my friend, yung channel. Suriin mo muna at doon ka mag-decide kung nais mong maging subscriber. Sana ay maging subscriber kita at mapabilang ka sa mga, ayan, yung mga sumasayaw na pizza. At sa lahat ng mga regular time travelers natin dito, maraming salamat po palagi, my friend. And I'll see you sa next video na nakikita mo ngayon. See you there. Gummy Bear.